No scribbling on the screen. Okay, yesterday we were discussing about, take out page number 26. Somebody's mic is open. Please unmute yourself. Kindly unmute yourself. Okay. So yesterday we were discussing about saying where things are. Lesson number 4, use of English at the shopping center. Yesterday, everybody understood about this exercise, which we did, about finding the shops. Okay. Okay, all right. Now we will move on to exercise number 2, find the mystery shop. Read the clues, name each mystery shop. Now I will read out the clue and you will tell me which shop is this, okay? Number 1, it's between the bookshop and the sweet shop. Come on, write in the comment box which shop is in between bookshop and sweet shop. Bookshop and sweet shop, which shop is in between? Very good. Very good, ML. Very good, Huria. Yeah, yeah, yes, Abdullah. It's a toy shop. Very good. Okay. The next option is it's next to the sports shop. Next to the sports shop. Which one is next to the sports shop? Next to the sports shop. Aisha, we already did top shop. Okay. No, not cycle shop, not bicycle. It is next to the sports shop. It's a clothes shop. If you can see next to the sports shop, it's a clothes shop. Yeah, very good. Okay. Option number 3, it's opposite the computer shop. Opposite the computer shop. Which shop is opposite to the computer shop? See on your books. There is a picture of computer. What is opposite? No, not next to. Mobile shop is next. Opposite to the computer. What you can see? Opposite. Cycle. Very good, Khatija. Opposite to the computer shop, it's a bicycle shop. Okay? Okay, very good. Well done, everybody. Okay, we will move on to the next page. Okay, these are the question answers about exercise number 1 at the shopping center. This is your homework. This you have to do in your English A copies. Okay, everybody got it? English A copies. This homework, okay? All right. Show me your thumbs up. Okay, okay, very good, very good. All right. Now we will move on to page number 27. Okay. Exercise 4. Behind, between, inside, on, under. Okay, I want you to do some little exercise. Okay. You have to follow the instruction, whatever I will give you, it is related to this exercise. Now listen to me very carefully. I'm watching you all and follow whatever I'm saying, okay? Look behind you. Look behind you. Look behind you. अपने पीछे देखो. Very good. Then put your arm behind your back. Put your arm behind your, very good, Zainab. Put your arm behind your back. Very good, Abdullah. Yeah, yes. Do it. Everybody else. Sab karo ye. Put your hand behind your back. Okay. Put your hand between your knees. Stand up and put your hand between your knees. Stand up and put your hand between your knees. Very good. Very good. Good job. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Now wiggle your finger. Then put your finger inside your book. You have to, आपको अपनी finger जो है उसको हिलाना है and then put your finger inside your book. Yeah, now put it inside your book. Excellent, very good. Now put your right hand on your book. Which is your right hand? Show me. Which is your right hand? Very good. Put it on your book. Put it on your book. And now put your left hand on your right hand. Put your left hand on your right hand. Okay, very good. Good job. Now wave your left hand. Show me your left hand. Wave it. Wave your left hand. Good. Very good. Good, Huria. Good, Myra. Good, John. Yes, very good. Okay. Then wave your right hand. Now left hand and right hand, both wave it. Very good. Then put your left hand under your right hand. Put your left hand under your right hand. Okay. Okay. Good. Very good. I like your cooperation. Okay. Now, all that we were doing is they are prepositions. Okay. We are discussing about prepositions here. Behind, between, inside, on, and under. If you see on page 27, exercise 4, in the first picture, the ball is behind the box. In the second picture, the ball is between the boxes. In the third picture, the ball is inside the box. In the fifth picture, the ball is on the box. And in the sixth picture, the ball is under the box. Okay, so all these are prepositions. Preposition of location. Write on your book. On this exercise, just write preposition of location. Preposition of location. Everybody wrote? Did you write on your books? Show me your thumbs up. Okay, who is this Daud Yunus? Please stop playing in the chat box. We are watching you guys. And I'm taking your picture, Daud, and we will send it to sister. And sister will contact your parents. So stop playing in the chat box. I already told you, no playing. This is your class. You are here to study, not to play. Okay? Now, move on to exercise number 5. Find the treasure. Two children are on a, please see page 27 on your books. Two children are on a treasure hunt. Listen to each clue. Where do the children look? Where is the treasure? Now I'm going to read out the clues for you. This is on page 27, exercise 5. Find the treasure. I'm going to read out the clues for you. Listen very carefully. Boy, this is clue number 1. Look under the table. There is a table on the picture. If you can see the picture, there's a map. Okay, just look at that map. Girl, I have got it. Clue number 2 is under the table. Boy, great. Read clue 2. Girl, look on the bridge. Where is the bridge? Where is the bridge in the picture? Can you see? Show me your thumbs up. Can you see the bridge in the picture? Okay, okay, good job. Okay. Boy, I can see a bridge over there. Let's go. Girl, I have got it. Here's clue number 3 on the bridge. Boy, okay, read clue 3. Girl, look between two trees. Can you see two trees? Show me your thumbs up. Okay, I can see two trees over there. Let's go. Girl, here it is, clue 4, between the trees. Boy, fantastic. Read clue 4. Girl, look inside the log. Look inside the log. Where is the log in the picture? Can you see? It's a big piece of wood near the lake. That is called a log. Everybody knows what is a log? Okay, okay. Okay, Daud. Okay, Daud. Okay, good. Boy, can you see a log? Girl, yes, over there. Clue 5. The boy said, clue 5 is inside the log. Girl, good, read it. Boy, look behind the big rock. Look behind the big rock. Girl, there's a big rock over there. Let's go. Can you see the big rock in the treasure map? There is a big rock in the treasure map. Can you see that? Show me your thumbs up. Okay, okay, all right. Boy, look at this. It's a treasure box. Girl, it's a box of balloons. Hooray, I love balloons. Boy, me too. Now, if you can see in the picture, they got the treasure box and it was filled up with the balloons. Okay. Now, exercise 6, make up a clue. Now, this activity you can do at home with your brothers and sisters. You can, say a clue for your partner. Your partner must point out to the map. So you can prepare a small map and you can make clue for a treasure hunt. So that you have to decide this, you can do at home also. Okay. Now these are all the dialogues between the girls and between the girl and the boy. Okay, so you can see from here. Now, prepositions. All we were discussing about the directions on page 26. Shops, left, right, between, next to, opposite. Then on page number 27, behind, between, inside, on, or under. They all are called prepositions. Okay, they all are called prepositions. Okay, on, in, above, under, behind, in front of, between, next to, near. Okay, now I want to explain next to. See, the ball is next to the box. Okay, so don't mistake about this. नेक्स्ट टू का मतलब होता है कि आपके साथ जो चीजें पड़ी होती हैं, ओके। और ऑपोजिट का मतलब होता है जो आपके सामने चीजें होती हैं। ऑलराइट, सो यू हैव टू बी क्लियर इन दिस। Okay. Now, preposition. Now, what is the definition of preposition? Preposition is a word which is used before a noun, a phrase, or a pronoun, connecting it to another word. Okay, preposition is a word which used before a noun, a phrase, or a pronoun, connecting it to another word. Now, I will just read out some sentences and I want you guys to leave your comments in the chat box. Okay? The monkey is sitting dash the trees. Now, write in the chat box, where is monkey sitting? And you can choose one preposition. Here are some more preposition. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with correct preposition from the box. Yeah. No, monkey is not under. Shazane, monkey is not under. See, where monkey is sitting. Between, yes, Abdullah, that's right. Monkey is sitting between the trees. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Now the next one is, the dog is sitting dash a chair. The dog is sitting dash a chair. Write in the chat box. On the chair. Very good, Abdullah, very good. On, no, Arifa, it's not in, it's on the chair. Okay, Shamyan, on the chair. Yes, that's right. Okay. The mouse is hiding dash the bed. The mouse is hiding dash the bed. Under. Very good, Shazin. Very good. Under the bed. Okay. Move on to fourth one. The fox is waiting dash the tree. The fox is waiting dash the tree. Behind. Very good. Very good, Huria. Behind. Very good. Very good, Abdullah. Behind. Okay, only 2-3 students are very much attentive. I think rest of everyone is sleeping or what? Please be attentive. The fan is dash my head. Option number 5. The fan is dash my head. The fan is dash my head. No, the fan is above. Yes, yes. Above my head. Very good. I am dash the fan. I am dash the fan. I am under the fan. Very good, Arifa. Very good. The lizard and the fly are dash the wall. On. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, all right. So very good. I really like your participation. I think we are running out of time. So I will quickly take your attendance. We will finish over here. This homework will be sent to you in a soft copy on your WhatsApp. So be attentive. I'm going to take your attendance. Just look at your screens. Give a big, nice smile.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
May I stop recording?
Yes, please.
Thank
Give a
you.
nice smile. Give a nice smile. Everybody.